There is one story that keeps repeating itself, and over 40 days of lockdown, it's a shame that this problem still is staring us in our face. We can't absolutely look the other way, and hopefully shouldn't the government. In an unfortunate incident, 16 migrant workers were killed after coming under a goods train near Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. The state government has announced an ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees for the family of the victims. Here is how the unfortunate events unfolded.
The rotis lying on these tracks tell the tragic story of 16 migrant workers whose long walk home ended in a tragedy. Their 1,000-kilometer trek cut short by a train accident on Friday morning. With no roof over their head and little work since the lockdown, 20 people had started walking from Jalna in Maharashtra to their homes in Madhya Pradesh. The exhausted workers decided to rest on the rail tracks and went to sleep. At 5:22 a.m., a goods train ran over them, killing 15 on the spot. One more succumbed later.
4 लोग जो थोड़ा दूर बैठे थे, उनकी हम पूछताछ कर रहे हैं और वो थोड़ा सा सदमे में है, तो उनसे बाकी सारी चीज़ें वेरीफाई करना और वो कहाँ से आए, कैसे निकले, वो सब करना अभी हमारी प्रोसीजर चालू है.
Eyewitnesses say the train applied brakes, but it was too late.
सवेरे एक रेलवे गया, जो मालवा तेल का रेलवे आता है, वो पहले गया. वो कम से कम 2 किलोमीटर से पहले हॉर्न बजा रहा था. फिर उसके बाद हम रेलवे यहाँ पे आ गए, जोर से ब्रेक मारा, उन्हें धड़ 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 आवाज आया जोर से. फिर हम अचानक उठ के भागने लगे, भाई रेलवे आज क्यों खड़ रहेगा इतना अर्जेंट में, और इतना आवाज क्या आ गया, क्या गिर गया इसका, ऐसे देखने के आ गए हम यहाँ पे. इसके बाद हम आके देखे यहाँ पे तो रेलवे वाला खड़े वाला था, 2-4 उसमें साथी थे, 19 जन साथी जो थे, 3 उसमें से 3 जो बच गए, और जो 16 जने थे 15 जगह पे गए, और एक जाते जाते अस्पताल में उनकी मौत हो गई.
The victims' belongings were everywhere. Footwear, wallets, photographs, clothes. Their families will get 5 lakh rupees in compensation from the Maharashtra government. A train ticket worth a few hundred rupees could have safely taken them home. PM Narendra Modi dialed Railway Minister Piyush Goyal on hearing about the accident. The centre has now ordered a probe in the incident. The opposition has blamed the centre for the loss of lives. Bureau Report, India Today.
It's heartbreaking, in fact, to report this story. My colleagues are outside. We are reporting on this every single day. The fact remains that for a few hundred rupees, people have been robbed of their dignity. They were so tired. They started walking from Maharashtra all the way to Madhya Pradesh, got so tired, and they thought that, it will be easier to walk on the railway track. In their head, lockdown has ensured that no train will be running. If there is no train for them, why would they think that there will be train running for anybody else? Got extremely tired and just slept on to those tracks.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.